Bitcoin will become stronger after the stock market falls by 10%. Mur20% Bloomberg analyst. Bitcoin will soon no longer be a risk asset, and investors should brace for a fresh price correction, says one of Bloomberg's best-known analysts. In an appearance on the Wolf of Wall Street's podcast on January 18, McGlone, senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, sounded the alarm on global markets up-only narrative. As Bitcoin struggles in 2022, those hoping for a dramatic return to form will be disappointed by McGlone's midterm forecast. The United States Federal Reserve, he said, will all but guarantee an end to the limitless gains for stocks, and crypto, naturally correlated, will suffer too. The number one theme I've been using for months now is do not fight the Fed, he began. As the Fed attempts to rein in inflation and dramatically decrease asset purchases, the outlook is thus much less appealing for risk assets in the near term. For McGlone, however, there is a silver lining when it comes to Bitcoin's inherent appeal. I think it's transitioning from a risk-on to a risk-off asset, he continued, adding that he thinks Bitcoin will come out better off after the period of policy upheaval. Meanwhile, McGlone, who is famous for his bullish takes on Bitcoin in the past, is far from alone in his caution. Related, analysts warn that Bitcoin could dip to $38,000 before an eventual breakout. As Cointelegraph reported, even Bitcoin traders themselves are bracing for testing times ahead, while the analysts' views were echoed earlier this month by Arthur Hayes, ex-CEO of derivatives trading platform by'10. The loose U.S. monetary conditions definitely influenced the meteoric rise in price, he wrote about the Fed's balance sheet in a blog post on policy and Bitcoin. An accompanying chart underscored the implications of a much more conservative atmosphere.